Go.
Hello, my name is David. Welcome to Carolina Classic Cars. Today we have a 1970 Chevelle SS 396. If you're in the market for a Chevelle, this is the one for you. This car was bought brand new here in Asheboro, North Carolina, and it's been in Randolph County the whole entire life. Very nice car. Like I said, it's a 396. It's got the original transmission in rear end. It does not have the original number. Matching numbers motor. You can see down the side how slick this car is. It's been painted about 2 years. The gentleman last on this car had it for 15 years. Very nice original car. Look inside of it. Got a 400 turbo transmission, 373 positive traction rear end. It's equipped with power steering, power brakes, AM/FM stereo. It's got all the original sheet metal. Everything works on this car as it should. This car also won the stock drag racing series at Rockingham, North Carolina in 1971. Also, when they repainted the vehicle, the stripes were painted and cleared over so you don't feel any ridges. Take a look in the trunk, how nice and clean the trunk is. It's riding on a set of 14-inch SS wheels with a new set of BF Goodrich TAs. Like I said, you will not find a nicer 70 Chevelle than this one. Straight as it can be down the sides. All the gap and fitment is great. Chrome is great. The car was restored probably about 10 years ago. Let me crank the vehicle up and let you hear it run. If you have any questions on this car or any of the cars that we have in stock, visit us at VintageHotRodsLLC@gmail.com or give us a call at 336-736-8855. We buy, sell, trade, and we also offer financing. So good.